Yeah, and I think this way. I know where the toys are, homie. Trust. Got your big head. Come. Son of a biscuit. I was a little off on. There's some cool toys, man. Sonic. Yeah, man. Golden Sonic. Yeah. Me and your uncle used to love toys, man. I still love them. Come, Toadwood. Comic book? What's up? Comic book? Awesome. Thor. That's pressing. Who's it? Suspect. And he don't seem to think he just like me. Alright, calm down.
You have to hold it.
Alright. Maybe Power Rangers out of style. Come, we'll find them. Don't worry, we'll find them. Right. Hey, Gabriel, check this out, homie. What's this row? Let's see if it's this row. What do you see right here? Look. You see anything?
Power Rangers!
That's what I'm talking about. So where's this fire disc?
Buying it today?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. What is that?
These are when the Power Rangers are really good. I don't think this will happen.
Well, this is the bow for your brother, right? And this is what I bought you already, the spin sword, right? And isn't that the fire disc right there?
No.
That's not the fire disc?
It has fire.
What does that have on it? Well, this is the bow. You still got your sword? Sound for this one. Shogun buckle. Looking like a little Shogun buckle.
Oh, and you got me that too.
I got you that sword. The Mega Samurai. Say they don't have the fire disc? Yeah, use the bathroom? What? Hey, why are you leaving me? Hey, what's that song?
You have to walk down.
Looks like you're looking at everything but the So you think we should get this bow for your brother?
Yep.
Because he needs something, right? Because you got the spin sword. So do you know what you want yet? Or? That's cool. Hey. Don't believe that Canada turn slowly. Hey. And as it seems, hey. Hey. The flies. That's girl stuff over there.